how to search a site within the Google. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you want to search a particular site with the help of the Google search engine, you first have to type the word site, then type double dot, and then you need to give the address of the site. Let's suppose I want to search the New York Times. So I would write site double dot newyorktimes.com, and then I would give a space, and then I would write the keyword which I want to search within the New York Times. Let's suppose I want to search the keyword business within the New York Times. So I would write site colon New York Times space, and then I would write the term business and hit enter. And now you can see that the word business is being searched within the New York Times. So all the results are from the New York Times. Now for example, I want to search the business word, but I don't want to search the economics. So what you can do is that you can just type minus or dash and then type the word which you want to exclude, and now you can you would see the results from the New York Times of the word business excluding the word economics. So this is how you can search a site within the Google. If you want to see more videos on the Google search tips and tricks, we have a complete list which I would be giving a link in the description below, and that playlist would also be visible at the end screen cards. In any case, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.